as well on the ball. So we're going to add on to that, but we'll place both feet on the ball. Okay, so you're going to have a narrow grip, which means your inner thighs as well are going to be helping lots. So place both feet on the ball, have a little sort of wobble. The same thing applies if you do get cramp when you come down, stretch out. See people get cramp and they're like, oh, just literally let the legs lengthen out, give the feet a wiggle. Okay. So from there, just push straight up and lower down. So we've brought everything in, haven't we, closer, so it's going to be a bit harder. So you're pushing up. You might feel a bit wiggly. If you are, take the hands out a bit wider and take the wrists, push the palms down. If you want that wiggle and you want to feel it more here, bring the arms in. You'll still feel a little bit going on in the backs of the arms. We can't isolate muscles, but what we can do is focus on that target area that we want to be working on, which is the buttocks. And lower. Even if you sort of put your hands onto your outer thighs and just around the gluteal area, you'll feel everything sort of working. And then release. We're going to go for 4 more. Up. So we've got that slight pause at the top. So anybody got a cramp yet? Or we're okay. 3. We're going to do 2 more. I'm going to do 1 more. And then we'll have that nice release out. Feel as glutes working. And release. That's it, let those legs stretch. Quads as well, quads a little bit there. Okay, left foot only. Slide in. This time you can either lift up the right heel or raise up the right leg. So you're in a reverse tabletop. Let's have a go. Push and lift and lower and stretch. Keep this leg lifted, belly button drawn in. Bring it back in. Use your foot to bring it in to get there. More hamstring stuff doing that. And again, lift. Tell I haven't done this one for a while. Lower. Stretch it back out. Keep your knee in reverse tabletop. Ribs down. Again. Lift. Lower. Push away. How could you make that harder if you wanted to?